This is our activity number 4. To verify the length of tangent drawn from an external point are equal. So this is P is the external point. From P, this is one tangent at A, and from P there is another tangent B on the circle, and this length PA is equal to PB. This we have to verify. The related terms, this is the tangent to a circle. The line which touches the tangent to the circle is that intersect the circle at exactly 1 point. Okay. If it will intersect at 2 points, it will become a secant. And the tangent lines to circles from the subject of several theorems. It is very important. Okay. So this is the theory part. Mm, Now we go to just taking time to open procedure. The procedure is here. As I told you, there are two procedures. One is performed in the simulator that we will do. Another is performed as a real lab. So as we don't need the lab for mathematics practical, same thing you can do at home. So I think you will follow this material. Required this one: colored paper, scissors, ruler, sketch pen, and you can follow this property. Means this procedure. You will follow this procedure. Okay, and you will write this procedure. You will do this procedure, but on computer I will show the simulator, because on computer we can do the same thing by animation. So here, as per the procedure, draw a circle of radius on the colored paper and cut it. Let O be its center. Okay, one circle you draw and cut. Paste the cutout on the rectangular sheet of paper 10A. This is the rectangular sheet of paper. Here, with another color, you cut the circle of any radius and paste it. Paste the cutout on the rectangle. Take any point P outside the circle. This is point P. We have taken the circle outside. From P, fold the paper in such a way that it touches the circle to get a tangent. Now this is the folding showing this part is showing folding. So fold it so that it can touch it. Okay. PA. PA is a point of contact. Then repeat the same thing with this another crease. You have to make the another crease so that you have to fold the paper so that it will touch the point B. Then you can draw the line and you can show it. Okay. Repeat uh, repeat step 4 to get another tangent, and then join the center of the circle to P, A and B. Center is joined to P, A and B, and here P, A and B. Okay. And fold the paper along OP. Fold the paper along OP. If you fold the paper along OP, why we are folding this? PA will coincide with PB. When you fold this paper along OP, and this PB will come on PA. So that will show by practical that PA is equal to PB. Okay, understood? So our aim is just listen again. First, take rectangular sheets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 6 rectangular sheets. Okay. No need of 6. Only one. Sorry, on one it will done. So the one rectangular sheet and cut one circle and then paste it. This is O, and take another and a point outside P. Okay. Then just make a crease. Fold the paper to make the crease so that it should touch the circle at A point, and passing through P point. Make another crease which touch at B and passing through P, and then you have to make the line joining OA, OP and OB, and this crease. You have to make this crease so that you can see that PA and PB will be equal. PB will coincide with PA. That shows that PA is equal to PB, and we have to prove that the tangent length of the tangents are equal. So that's why. Okay. So this is our practical that you have to write in your practical notebook. Got it? So materials required, aim to verify. Aim is the in the previous video, in the previous part I showed aim to verify that the length of the tangent from an external point are of equal length. To verify that the length of tangent drawn from an external point are equal. Then materials required, procedure, and observation. So OPA completely cover each other length of PA, this observation like this. So that's it. I think you should write this again. Listen, aim. First, you will write the aim to verify that the length of tangent drawn from an external point are equal. Second point, materials required, colored paper, pair of scissors, ruler, sketch pen, compass, pencil. Procedure as it is, but the figure number, if you are giving the same number of figures, so you will write here same number of figure. Otherwise, you can give figure number 1, figure number 2, figure number 3, figure number 4, figure number 5, figure number 6. After that, don't write as performed in the simulator. We will do, but then at last you write observation. Student will observe that we observe that. Do not write students will observe. We observe that OPA and OPB are completely cover each other. Are completely covered each other. Change the sentence. Then you will write length of tangent PA is equal to length of tangent PB. Result. Hence, it is verified that the length of tangent drawn from an external point are equal. That you will write in result. Okay, got it. Now we move to the next point. Animation. That is animation. Through animation, same thing will be described through animation. Tangent drawn from external point, objective. 1 minute, I will restart. Okay. Tangent drawn from an external point. To verify the tangent, length of tangent to a circle from an external point are equal. Prerequisite, you can add prerequisite also, but not necessary 100%. You can write prerequisite, objective, then prerequisite, then materials, then procedure, then observation, then result. Generally, we should follow. You can note down. Do not ask again. Listen again. Aim. Second point, prerequisite. Third point, materials required. Fourth point, procedure. Fifth point, observation. Sixth point, result. In the result, you will write this whatever practical you are doing. This you will write that, hence it is proved that the length of tangent to a circle drawn from an external point are equal. Okay. So 10 minutes left. Just see this video. Select a point on a scale to draw a circle. Length you can take between 2 to 5. Click it. You will get the circle. Then click on the workbench, any point outside. Okay. Then draw two tangents. Click on P again. You will get the two tangents. Okay. Then click on O. You will get two lines perpendicular to each other, perpendicular to the tangent. Click on the point of intersection, this point of intersection where the tangent touches here and here. Okay, click at this point A. Here, if you will click, you will get the point B. Click on tangent AOP. See this point again. Double click on to flip it and drag it. Click on a triangle AOP and double click to flip and drag it. Okay, and keep it here. So this will perfectly fit. That will show that the AP is equal to PB. Okay. So we can do it also on simulator. Okay, so this is a simulator. Now start. Okay, so you will get this screen between 2 to 5 anywhere you can click. You will get a circle. Then click outside to get a point. Okay, then again on point P, click to draw two tangents. Okay, then click on O to draw the two lines which are perpendicular to this and this. Then click on this contact point, so you get A and B. And click on the points of intersection of radius and tangent, correct? So this point, you have to click at this point. Yes, here exact point, when this will show exact point, when the cursor will come on exact point, this will show a hand, then click, so you get the points. Okay, now click on AOB. This is, you will get double click on the on this, flip it and drag it into. It is not responding on double clicking. Double click on this to flip it and drag it into triangle POB. Yes. So I think there is a problem here. So it was not clicked. You can do it again. Restart. Start. Draw circle. Take any point. Again, click on the point to draw two tangents. come on to this point O, click it, then click here where this radius, intersection of radius and tangent. A here also. Now click on triangle AOP. This is a triangle AOP. This is clicked. Okay. Actually, it should show some color. Now double click on this. So there is a problem. Therefore, AOB will be just completely cover OPB so that the tangent of PA will be equal to PB. This is proved. Okay. So that's all. So self evaluation, we can do it. Okay, you can now. You should tell me the answers. All of you are allowed to unmute yourself if you know the answer. A tangent to a circle intersect it at how many points? Anyone can give the answer. 1 minute. Yes.
Sir,
Anyone can.
Infinite, sir.
no, I do.
And
At 1 point.
a tangent
At
to a
many
circle
points.
intersect. No.
A tangent and a circle intersect infinity. Infinity, none of these, obviously.
No.
How does it intersect at infinity? It intersects at 1 point.
Oh yeah,
Yes, one.
I read the question wrong.
One
How
point.
So there
many?
can be infinity.
Okay,
No, there
okay.
can be infinity tangents.
Okay, we have 1 minute. Just do it. How many parallel tangents can a circle have at the most?
Sir, 2.
Two, yeah, two.
2. Because if
A
it is
line
a
intersect a circle in 2 points is called
And
line intersect at 2 secant. 3. Secant.
secant. Correct. A tangent AB at a point of circle radius 5 meets a line through O so that OP is equal to AB is equal to, just find out first.
sir,
Sir, what is the radius is 5 centimeter?
12 centimeters.
Yes.
OB, what is OB though?
No, just use the 13 square minus 5 square equals 144, which is
Answer is
169 minus 25.
It should probably be 12.
okay. Next, from a point, tangent of a tangent length of the tangent is 4 centimeter. Distance of it from the center is 5. Radius of the circle is
3,
again
3, sir, 3.
3. Okay, we can submit. Yes, all correct. Okay.
1 crore.
1 crore.
These are the